I just want to quickly show you how easy VoiceBuddy is to use. Now I have something typed up here real quick in my text editor. I'm going to copy and basically have it ready for my project. On the left hand side you have the choices of Google WaveNet and Amazon Poly. In this example I'm going to show you Google WaveNet. I'm going to name my project. I'm going to call it VoiceBuddy is super easy to use, and then I'm just going to paste what I just copied. And I'm going to pick the language. There's so many to pick from. So in this case, I'm just going to use, say, English British. And the voice, we have a few different types of voices. So in this one, I'm going to use female WaveNet C. And then I'm going to hit submit. Audio generated. Boom. Ready to go. So quick and easy. Now, that's ready to go as is. Of course, you have so many different options of how you can change it if you so wish. But just the way it is actually very, very good from all our testing. Now, of course, if you want to customize it, so as you can see, VoiceBuddy is super easy to use. Simply enter the text and boom. So I want to make this, say I want to add an emphasis to it, so I'll make it a moderate emphasis. You've got the choice of both Google and Amazon's voice engines at your fingertips. And so over here, I would maybe like just leave it the way it is. Billion-dollar systems that took years to create by two major companies. So I'm gonna make this one over here emphasis strong. And that's pretty much it. So there's a lot of other options as well. You can select the say as. And you can play around with this to your heart's delight. You can also change the pitch, the speed of how it's being said. You can even add a little sound effects to the voiceover. And again, as you saw, the initial example just took mere seconds. VoiceBuddy is super easy to use, and all your audio files are right here where you can hit play right from the dashboard or quickly download it to your computer of your choice. This is cloud-based, works on both PC and Mac without any issues. This is VoiceBuddy, very quick example. Now I want to show you how VoiceBuddy International is something you definitely want to pick up, especially if you want to not have any limits to the imaginary borders that the world has for us. But due to the internet and technology, these borders don't really exist, especially when it comes to marketing your products and services. So I'm going to type in over here project name real quick, international example. So that's that. And I have the same text from before, so I already copied it. Here we go. And I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to translate this into, say, Spanish. And now in one click, the text has been translated into Spanish. And I could use the same technique that I showed you before to make it into an audio voiceover. So now you can just go ahead over here and just select Spanish, select the voice, and hit submit. That's it. The audio file has been generated. Took mere seconds to do, and you could do this with any language. So, if I go ahead and do it again, I type in over here, I pasted the same example, and now this time I'm currently in Berlin, Germany, and I want it in German. So I'm gonna hit translate. Now it's in Deutsch or German, and I can go ahead and make another audio file. This time I want to pick. The male voice and hit submit. Boom. Audio file has been created. With this, by going with this upgrade with VoiceBuddy International, you really have no limits to your marketing. You're not limited to the native language that you're in. Now you can create entire podcasts, entire YouTube channels in different languages simply by copy and pasting your existing native language text.